Hey, good morning. It is January 19th and we're getting started on backyard renovations. I can't remember if I told you guys or not, but we are going to focus on fixing up the backyard so we can have landscaping and it can grow in while we're living here. One thing I probably would have appreciated more is if like the house my mom and I, or the house that my mom bought when we first moved to Georgia, if we fixed up the backyard a little bit more. We did utilize the space, but it was probably about 4 years into living in the home. And I know like there's more important things, but I love a good backyard. I want a vegetable garden, I want flowers, I want landscaping, and we have a really nice deck. I want to utilize it and get outside. With us working from home and just being home like a whole year in the apartment, one thing I really appreciated is just having an outdoor space, and the patio was like way too small to really enjoy it. Like, so I'm really excited for this next phase in our renovation. So Quentin is on a Bobcat right now. We got one from Home Depot. He's on the Bobcat. You can probably hear the beeping and he is trying to use it. What we're gonna do is level off the backyard. So our house is kind of like on a slope. So we're on a big hill in our backyard. The house is flat, obviously, and then there is like this big ridge and then it goes back down again. And so because we have that ridge just all across our backyard, we get water pooling near our deck and like where you would walk to go to the garage or take the trash out. It's just like right in front, and it's not really accommodating. And because of that, we have a ton of mosquitoes in the summer. Georgia's super humid, so if we have any moisture, it just pools there and it's horrible. And that's one thing I noticed when I first saw the house. I was like, oh, there's a crap ton of mosquitoes. So by leveling this off, this will give us kind of like a reprieve from all of the mosquitoes and make it a lot level. And then what we're doing is extending by moving the dirt from where it is and moving it to a little bit further back. We're elongating our backyard to make it a lot more, I guess, easy, or not easy, what am I saying? It just makes it a lot bigger. So that's what he's doing right now. Brooklyn is absolutely terrified of the noise. You can see her in the corner, she's not a fan. But you can see our backyard. This is a very dusty, dirty window, so apologies. We're doing renovations, but there is Quentin on the Bobcat. We just rented it from Home Depot. You can have it for the full day, and honestly the price is pretty good for you renting it for the whole day, and it comes with like insurance and all of that stuff. So he is learning how to do it now. His dad is going to help us come over and help us with the Bobcat. So I just hope he's very safe, because I don't know. But as you can see, there is that little, like right here, the little ridge, and then right behind it literally just goes straight down. So if we're able to move this dirt here and then level off the dirt right here, we'll elongate our backyard. We're going to put grass seed there in the next couple of weeks when it just warms up a little bit before like the spring. And grass germinates pretty fast, so we'll be able to be in the backyard probably fully with grass by March is what I'm hoping, or by April. But really excited about that. And then we'll get rid of like this dip right here. I would go outside, but it is so cold right now. It's gonna be like 65 later in the day, so I'll show you the progress. But it is also a Tuesday and I have work, so I need to skedaddle upstairs. But I just wanted to show you. And then our next plans are to refinish the deck. I think the previous owners replaced the boards, so we have some gray boards and some wood boards where they fixed up the like broken boards, I guess. But we're just gonna paint them and seal them off. We were supposed to do it a while ago, but then we decided to just work on other things inside the house. But the other stuff inside the house already is pretty good. Like our kitchen's good to go. All we need now is furniture. We're pretty much done with all actual renovations except for outside. in the backyard, which is why we're working on that now. And then we're gonna get a couch. Oh my God, we're going to get a couch. We just ordered a new dishwasher. Our dishwasher is absolute trash. All of like the dishes are dirty when it comes out, and it has like a weird mark on it. I'm not a fan. And then just like little decor things, and I'm actually filming a video. It should be already up by the time you're watching this, but I'm filming a video about all of the house projects we are going to do this year, and then next year I'll film another one with projects we're gonna do that year. We're trying to take it slow, but it might seem like it's a lot because we just moved in and there were a lot of things we wanted to fix like right away. But with everything that we fixed, I'm really happy with it. I feel like this is slowly but surely becoming our home, which is really comforting and really exciting. So I need to go upstairs. I will catch up with Quentin. I'm hoping he doesn't run over any pipes or any gas lines or anything with the house. So let's just cross our fingers that this goes well. Hey guys, happy, oh I actually need to run upstairs, but happy Saturday. Today is just, we did a couple things this morning and I took a little time for myself because I haven't been, and I painted my nails so I feel so fresh and I feel so good. Today what I'm doing is in the front yard, we have some of the solar powered lights, and we got some from Lowe's. Has a really good selection of solar powered stuff, so I would highly suggest you check them out if you need anything solar powered. But we bought a box and I'm trying to find it because I need to put that out and I can't find the box. Where is it? It's right here. Duh. But I want to put them outside as well as the floodlights and make the front look really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. This is the floodlight that we have in. I'm just putting it on the trees to make the front yard look a little bit more stately, I guess you can say. These are just floodlight reflectors. They are, how many lumens? Can't remember. But the only issue is our front yard is north facing, so you don't get as much sun as you would in the backyard. But then these are the solar powered like little walk lights that we bought. They come with rechargeable batteries, so if it stops working, you could just get new batteries. But these are 10 lumens, so they're not super bright. I don't want anything like super bright. Hey guys, it has been such a long time, but it is, what is it? February 20th, and all day we were just yard work. We went to Home Depot or Lowe's and got tons of new mulch. I mulched all of the front. It looks so good. So now I'm working on the back. All right, so I have my Osage blackberry bush, and I have this 16-inch pot filled with potting soil. So next, I'm gonna add some of this in, Biotone starter fertilizer. Then these are the bulbs that I picked up for all over the house, both the front and the back. So I have some dahlias here. I'm also starting some from seed, but these are stunning. I have some peonies here, 2 types. I have Bowl of Beauty. This is just one. And then I have 2, or I have actually 3 of the Sarah Burnt Heart. I have some Rockless lilies, 2 different types of lilies, gladiolus. I picked up more gladiolus today because these are stunning and they didn't have them last time. Picked up some gladiolus, some begonias for the front. So basically how I'm organizing it is these are all of the ones that will go in the front because these are either partial or full shade. These will go in between the front and the back because these are full sun to partial shade. And then dahlias will go, I want to start kind of a cut flower garden. So these are full sun, they'll go in the back. And then I picked up these Ozark strawberries because I have some more strawberries, but they're very, very, very tiny. So these will just be like the normal size strawberries. I have these Helleborus that will go in the front. These are stunning. Quentin picked up these asters for me for Valentine's Day, as well as these beautiful cyclamen. Sorry, I always pronounce those wrong. These are my blueberry bushes. And then today, oh my gosh, you guys, I picked up this stunning. This is the Diamond Spire Gardenia, but look at the stunning foliage. Wow. If you don't like plants, you're not gonna understand. The leaves on these one are amazing. So this is really good fall interest or winter interest. And then the flowers look amazing. And that's not a bad price. So these will all go out in the ground in the next couple of weeks. Really excited about it. And then these are all of my snapdragons that I'm growing from seed. I have some snapdragons here. I have some foxgloves here that these grow very slow. I probably should have started these a while ago, but I need to put them in a bigger pots very soon so they can grow a little bit better. There's like mold on the top, so I need to put some stuff on it. But the snapdragons, more snapdragons. I have 2 different types of onion, regular onion and then bunching onions for like, they're basically like chives basically. And these are regular onions. I love onions. Okay, and then I have some more flowers down here. This is balsam, and then I have some sweet William. So not all of the balsam germinated or the sweet William, but that is totally fine. I will sow some more seeds. These are all of my herbs. So I have my rosemary, thyme, sage, cilantro, lavender didn't come up yet, so I'm still waiting. It takes about a month for this to come up. All of my parsley from last year, same with my cilantro. Very, very excited about that. And in this tray, I have some coleus, which all but one came up. I have some painted daisies, and I have some impatiens. I need to actually water these today. And then delphiniums that also take almost a month to germinate. And then I also have a lot more like my tomatoes, my eggplant, all of that I'm actually gonna start tomorrow. But this is very exciting because the snapdragons will be able to go out very soon, which I'm really excited about. They look stunning. Like, look how good they look. I can't believe I grew that from seed. But yeah, they look absolutely stunning.